If you have ever wanted to turn images into useful text, summaries, or even conversations, then image to ChatGPT tools might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'll break down what it is, how it works, its pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using or not. What is image to ChatGPT? Image to ChatGPT simply means using AI to analyze images and turn them into text-based outputs. For example, upload a screenshot, get a summary. Upload handwritten notes, get clean typed text. Upload a chart, get an explanation. It's basically combining image recognition plus AI chat capabilities. How it works. The process is very simple. Number one, you upload an image. Two, the AI scans and understands the content. Three, it converts it into text or answers your questions about it. Depending on the tool, you can ask things like explain this image, summarize this document, extract the text, and you will get a response almost instantly. Key features. Text extraction, OCR. It can pull text from images like documents, screenshots, or even handwritten notes. Image understanding. Not just text, it understands objects, scenes, and context inside the image. Q&A on images. You can ask questions about the image and get detailed answers. Multi-use cases, useful for students, content creators, freelancers, and even business tasks. Pros. Saves time. Instead of typing or analyzing manually, the AI does it in seconds. Easy to use. Just upload and ask, no technical skills needed. Versatile. Works with notes, screenshots, diagrams, and more. Boosts productivity. Great for studying, research, and content creation. Cons. Accuracy isn't perfect. Sometimes it misreads text or misunderstands images. Struggle with complex images. Very detailed shots or unclear handwriting can cause issues. Depends on image quality. Blurry or low quality images equal weaker results. Limited in some tools. Free versions may have restrictions or limits. Best use cases. Students convert notes into summaries, content creators turn screenshots into scripts or captions, freelancers extract data from documents quickly, everyday use understand images faster. Is it worth it? Yes, but with realistic expectations. If you need something fast, simple, and helpful for everyday tasks, it's definitely worth it. But if you expect perfect accuracy every time, you might be disappointed. Think of it as a productivity tool, not a perfect replacement for human review. Final verdict and conclusion. Image to ChatGPT tools are powerful, easy to use, and even can save a lot of time and money. They are especially useful if you work with images, notes, or online content regularly. Just remember, use them to assist your work, not fully rely on them. And that's it for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, do not forget to support us with a like, subscribe to the channel in order not to miss anything, and turn on the bell icon. Let me know down below in the comments, have you tried image to ChatGPT tools before or not? Share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review video.